this program, this is the client server. I import all the necessary libraries up here. Define our client socket in a separate function. Open the socket and connect the host address and port number provided as the arguments. Same goes for the server here. I added a listener function that handles threads, so we call the listener object here with the socket argument and then start it. And then while it's true, we just start calling the function setMessage from standard in with the socket argument and the length. Here is that setMessage standard in. Just reads messages that are written from the command line. If the message is true, then we're sending it to the socket and we're closing it. Elsewise, receive message. This basically just receives the message and sends it to the appropriate socket. Here we go. We got return message equals socket.receive length. That's the code. And then if that's true, then we're just printing it out. So this is what actually prints it to the command line. And if not, we're closing and then closing the socket and exiting. And I had to create a listener object. Look this up online, but it helped with the threading, especially with the function call I had up here. So we're actually subclassing the threading object here. So in the argument section, we are, like I said, subclassing, or this I guess this would be the superclass. Threading.threadObject initialize the constructor with threading.thread initialize, and then the socket, we're setting that to self. And then once that's called, it will run, and then the code that it's going to execute is just the return message that we get back from the client. Decoding it, if it's true, we print it. This helps us execute it immediately. And then down here, this section of code, we're just simply parsing the arguments. And if they're bigger than 0 and the first argument is -L, we know it's going to operate as a server, elsewise it's a client. And then else we just print that there was an error and then close the sockets. I had some issues with the test. I hope you can rectify this, but as you can see here, I have both of them open right here. This would be our server, and this is our client over here. When I type messages, they appear instantly here. Or when I type messages from the server, they appear back on our client, just as instructed. It looks like it's instantaneous, but yet the test said that I wasn't transferring them instantly, so I'm kind of confused by that. Hopefully you can clear this up. So yeah, as you can see, it's functioning, it's working. I'm just not sure where the issue lies, so thank you.